Here we are back in Vista, California. We got Jacob on the controls of the Jester. He's there, getting some altitude, coming in hot. Yeah, he made me duck. Not supposed to make the camera guy duck. Fortunately, I'm not only the camera guy, but I can make him duck too. There's another Jester. That's Brent on the controls. How pretty those things are. All right, Jacob's got some altitude. He's in the sun. Let's see what he does with this. All right, it's coming in hot. Love that sound. Or back in. Not horrible. We're in Vista, California here. Right in our backyard. Yeah, very fortunate. I know. What a neat spot. Hey, if you got a airplane from Majestic RC, a Jester, a Vortex, a Viper, come out and fly with us. All right, what are you gonna do to that poor vulture? What are you gonna do with all that altitude, Jacob? Do something cool. You're on video. All right, here comes Jacob at Mach 12. You pulled too hard. Yeah, gotta pull softer if you want to keep it all. So these pitcher-on planes, they're just moving the wing, both through the pitch and the roll. So it's very easy to over scrub your speed by just pulling too hard. And we like a lot of throw in these things. That's where you get that real crisp roll. But you gotta be gentle on it from a standpoint of speed. Now the other very cool thing about pitcher-on is that you can save yourself if you get in trouble. You've got so much control throw that you can fix a mistake really quickly. But the absolute best thing about a Jester, other than the fact they look killer and fly killer, is they don't break. I mean, we pummel these things into the ground so often, you wouldn't believe it. And literally, oh, I thought we were going to get a midair right there. We could have got it right on video. We usually pick up the plane and throw it again. Sometimes we break the tail adapter. And the plastic 3D printed tail adapter is a piece of cake. You can print it yourself or order one from Majestic RC. And Mikey will send you one. Mike's out at the river. We're just having a little session here without him. Maybe we'll post it on YouTube. Say, Mikey, you missed a great flying day. Anyway, guys, thanks for showing off. Oh, wait, one last one. You're up there, Jacob. One last cool move. Let's see. Make Mikey proud. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's a cool factor. All right, we'll see what everybody on YouTube says tonight. Good job, guys.